So this is for Mystery 3. So this paper can be found in your child's Mystery Science booklet. They already have sent in their leg length in order for us to prepare those dinosaur footprints to be sent home. And the students know which dinosaur they will be racing. So they should have this already circled, whether they're racing Silo, Dino, or San Juan. And this gives a little explanation of how to race and how to set up to complete this mystery at home.
It's time to find out which In a few minutes, you're going to leave the classroom to run. So I'll tell you what you're going to do, but don't do anything yet.
So the students are going to need a long area, somewhat like a hallway, or if they need to go outside, they can do that as well. They're going to be running 8 steps. So wherever they have the space to run straight for those 8 steps is where they'll need to be.
You'll have a turn running and a turn marking how far your partner ran. Here's how it works. Runner, you'll start at the starting line. Marker, you'll take the worksheets and move to the end of the racetrack.
So what I told students is for when they are ready to start their run, they can just simply mark where they are starting with a shoe, and then whoever is going to be assisting them can stand a little further away, about those 8 steps, so that way they can mark where that 8th step lands. They talk a lot about a partner. Obviously, we can't do this in partners, so this will be done by themselves. If they have a younger sibling, they're more than welcome to join in on the fun, but this will show what is expected.
To about where you think the runner will end up. Go to the next step, and I'll show you what to do next. Keep listening so you'll know what to do. Runner, when your teacher says go, you'll run as fast as you can for 8 steps. Like this. Count each step out loud as you run. Marker, you'll put the sticky note where step number 8 lands. Pay close attention to where the runner's foot lands. They may run an extra step.
So again, you can use a sticky note if you have something like that at home, or just the other shoe can be placed where they land.
Afterwards, trade jobs so both people have a turn to run. Go to the next step, and I'll explain the last thing to do.
Now, this is an example as if we were in the classroom where all students' names would be placed. They're just going to have their name placed, and then they will need those dinosaur footprints that are attached by string for this step.
After everyone runs, you'll need to measure out 8 dinosaur steps for each dinosaur. You'll use fossil footprints on a string like this. That's the length of your dinosaur's step. 2 people will pretend they're a dinosaur and take 8 steps like this. 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, and so on. When you get to step number 8, mark that step with the dinosaur's sticky note like this.
And again, if you have a sticky note, you can use that, or something simple that is found around the house you can use to mark where you are.
For all 4 dinosaurs.
Now, you will not be doing it for all 4 dinosaurs. We measured ahead of time of which leg length dinosaur your child would need, so they will only be measuring for that dinosaur that is similar size.
Then, you'll look at your dinosaur's sticky note and see who ran farther, you or the dinosaur you were racing. Okay, go to the next step. Now it's time to race. Go ahead and take your worksheet and your sticky note. Go to where you'll run. If you forget what to do, you can look at the picture on your worksheet. When you're done, come back to the classroom and watch the next slide.
So if there are any questions, please email me and I can clear up anything that you are confused about. But the goal here is for the child to be running regularly, not really stretching those legs out too much. They want to be a regular stride length of them running 8 steps and mark where they land and then compare it with the dinosaur footprints, and that's where we will pick up the next time.